This is amazing. In half a second time, we just generated an email template from a multimillionaire email marketer's email without copyright infringement. Next time, we will just put this template in AI, use our information in the placeholders, and it will be our email without writing a single word. Now, my friend, you are ready to make money from emails.
I want to show you the new way to build recurring revenue, 1K per day.
First of all, recurring revenue means monthly salary. 1K per day means 30K a month. You love it?
Out content. Yeah, without a membership site, without endless videos and articles and even a community.
That's a bold claim, and I don't really know how is this possible without content, without membership site, without community. While all these things are good and important, what Ryan Lee is saying that they are not important to be able to make $1,000 a day recurring revenue. In case you don't know, Ryan is one of the old OGs and he absolutely knows his stuff. I was a bit surprised to find his brand new YouTube channel with only 3,000 subscribers. And it's probably because his content are not really for broke people. It's for a little serious people who have a job at a 9 to 5 or they have an existing business. Yes, for beginners, but for a little serious people. So the tone is different and the audience is different. This made me real curious. I have analyzed the whole video and checked every steps what he is talking about. His method steps can be summarized as GTBRP. And the best part that Ryan didn't actually mention that everything is achievable using AI. So I'm going to show you how to do it with AI. So stay tuned.
This is my system of creating a simple one-person business without the stress and the overload. It starts with G. It starts with the first third of your day, of your work day is grow, which is traffic, which is getting people into your world. With me right now, it's YouTube. It used to be Facebook ads. Maybe yours is LinkedIn or Twitter. Maybe it is YouTube.
In case you don't know what is traffic, traffic are the visitors. If you're watching this video, then you are the traffic, my friend. Sorry about that. But yes, you are the traffic. But while watching a video, we call viewers. When these viewers go to our website, we call them traffic.
It's getting attention. And then from there, getting them into your world, onto your list, right? Not just saying, I'm happy being out there on YouTube or happy being out there posted on LinkedIn. Cool, look at all my stuff, now buy. It's getting them off of the third-party platform and into your world where you have a connection with them. And then you type, which is email.
Now you will see tons of people on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, even YouTube. They will put their link in the bio or in the description or elsewhere, and that link will take you to some kind of sales page with a buy button. What do you feel? We do not buy the first time we see an offer because we want to verify whether there are other better offers at a cheaper price or a better deal. And on top of that, there are so many bad people out there try to steal our money. We want to protect ourselves from those people. So we don't really buy anything immediately. What happens then? We lose that visitor forever. Once someone hits your sales page, they see your offer and they did not buy from you, and you could not get their contact to contact them back. You lost them forever. There is very thin chance they will ever come back to your website. Even if they do, they will bounce back and they won't buy. And you must be saying, Mosh, I'm here to sell and I'm here to make money. That's amazing. But you need to see from your customer's perspective that they first want to trust you. They first want to like you. People buy from the people they like, and people buy from the people they trust. How do you achieve that? Use Facebook method. This is the first page of Facebook, world's number 2 or number 3 website. What do you see here? A logo, a one-line message, and a form. You have to use this form to create a new account in order to enter Facebook and get benefits out of Facebook. You cannot just go and check Facebook out and whether you like it or not and later you sign up. No, you have to give your details, your name, your mobile number or your email, your password, your birthday, your gender, and then you click sign up in order to be able to use Facebook. Why is Facebook doing that? Because Facebook is the smartest company ever. they know that they're not going to get this visitor back, and getting a visitor is hard. So they want to get their contact in order to be able to send them messages and build a connection, build a rapport, build a relationship with them, and call them back to Facebook over and over again. Don't believe me? Look at all these emails we receive from Facebook every single day. They're telling us what other members of the groups that we are member of are doing. Somebody tagged me, somebody messaged me, somebody said something that I might be interested in, and Facebook keep messaging me. If this is not spam, then what is? Well, this is not spam. This is called relationship building emails, nurturing emails. Facebook use this as a way to notify people about things happening that they might be interested in. It's like giving you a news. Not only Facebook, these are notifications from YouTube, literally hundreds and hundreds of notifications. Why do you think these big companies do that? Because email marketing plain works. So if you want to make money, this is the page, should be your landing page to capture emails of your audience, your traffic, so you can contact them back. Not to spam them, but to contact them back, build trust, build rapport, and eventually, when you know their pain, their problems that you can solve with your product or your offer, you make an offer to them. When they buy, you make money. Super simple. That's exactly what we do. Facebook and Google and YouTube also do. When a student joins our program, our mentorship and done for you program, the first thing we do for them is to build their opt-in funnel that help them make high ticket affiliate commissions. You can see some of the examples here. Most of these people who earn high ticket affiliate commissions are complete beginners. They came to our program to learn how to get traffic to their funnel, and the 99% done for you funnel will do the selling job for them, and they will make money. And it plain works. This is a live Warrior Plus account, and on this account, we paid over 2,000 affiliates $2.6 million in affiliate commission. All these people did one thing, building list and email marketing. This proves that Ryan is teaching the right lesson. So G means grow, get tons of traffic, and turn them your email leads through an opt-in system. Now, in our program, we build the whole thing for our students, so our students don't have to do it for themselves. And of course, a lot of you who are watching this video are not into our program, and you might want to know how our opt-in page looks like. This is our basic opt-in page, just a headline that says exactly what our target audience are looking for, the painful things that they don't want to do and they don't have to do in our system, and what they're going to learn in a free training if they click this button, put their email, and opt into our mailing list. And we keep sending them emails every day with valuable information and extra training. So whether they sign up to our program or not, they get benefited from our free training and information. And this way we build a relationship and eventually trust. And when the trust is built, a lot of our viewers, a lot of our email subscribers sign up to different programs that we have based on their wants and needs. Among them, one of the best one is the one where we build the whole thing 99% done for you for our students. And they enjoy high ticket affiliate commissions. Check the link in the description for the free training video.
And then you type, which is email, that's where a big chunk of your income, I mean, up to 90% of my income is email. And now my emails I average around $15 to $20 per email subscriber per month. That's not per buyer, that's per subscriber. The money really is in the list, because we got G, we got T, and then we got B, baby got bank. And that is a monetization. And that's how you monetize through email. What are your products and programs? And this is how it looks in the flywheel.
Now it seems like you build email, send some valuable emails to your subscribers, and they fall in love with you, they trust you, and they buy from you. And you enroll them into some kind of recurring membership club or something where they pay $15, $27, to way up to $47, or even $97 every month. But there is a problem. There are so much content out there. They don't need another piece of content. Nobody has time for so much content. So you give them, they get more overwhelmed than excited. So they unsubscribe from your membership. They stop paying you.
Sophisticated things change. More competition, lower barrier to entry, AI. It's if you're living in the past and you're marketing in the past, you're not going to get any good gains. So we have to start shifting our thinking and getting in the shoes of our customer. And you cannot out content everyone.
That's true. There are smarter people out there. There are more hardworking people out there. Competition is fierce. They hire more experts than you are. You cannot out-content everyone. So the end result is you lose your paying subscribers.
You can't do it. You can't say, well, I'm just going to create more content than my competitors. It's impossible. You can't do it anymore. There's over 30,000 hours of content added just to YouTube every day, every hour.
You got the point. So what's the solution? Do something that others are not doing. For example, templates.
This was my Quattro fitness program. It was 4-minute workouts, and I just gave them the workout templates. It wasn't here's why and here's how and here's the science behind it and it was based on Tabata. No, here are the workout, print them out, have at it. And I believe this was $20 a month. And then I took it bigger. I embraced the fire hose and I said, well, if people like these workouts, they're going to like all these other ones. And I have all these strength coaches in my world. So I created something called Workout Pass. And then it was just lots and lots of workout templates. Whatever you wanted. It was positioned as you join one, you get these other ones for free. And that worked really well. And I do believe that model is kind of coming back, to buy one, get one free. I'm going to dive into that deeper in my trainings, my repeat.
It always works because people don't have time. They just want quick templates, put things into the template and use it, get results fast. So let's say you are an email writer or an email copywriter. Make a template. Every time you write a new type of email, template it out. Let's try an example. Here is an email, a promotional email I received. Now I cannot copy this email word for word and use it for myself. That would be copyright infringement. I would just copy the whole email, go to ChatGPT and choose the latest model. Now I think right now this is the latest model. I'll just put the whole email copy here, go to the bottom and say, the above is a promotional email that I received. I want AI to make an email template out of it. In future, I can put information in the template about my promotions and get similar emails written. Make a template for me. Hit enter. And the AI wrote a complete email template in a matter of half a second. And here is an example as well. This is amazing. In half a second time, we just generated an email template from a multimillionaire email marketer's email without copyright infringement. Next time, we will just put this template in AI, use our information in the placeholders, and it will be our email without writing a single word. Now, my friend, you are ready to make money from emails. So you earn recurring profit by sharing something short that they can grab and use right now, and you keep giving them over and over again, and you are able to give them because you are using AI. All you need is the knowledge on how to use AI and where to use AI to generate those templates, those valuable short, can be used right now type of stuff, and wow your audience, make them buy and stay in your recurring club forever. That's how you build recurring revenue. Now, if this sounds a little complex because you have never tried this before, you're a complete beginner and you don't even have a lot of time to spend researching, taking notes, trying and learning yourself, then we have a completely 99% done for you system. You make money with 100% free traffic without paying for ads, without building your own website, without selling, without shipping. And it's not drop shipping or Amazon FBA, and it's not even trading. There is a free training in the description. Go check it out, and we will see you in the training. So we do affiliate marketing, we sell our own digital products, we earn recurring revenue like monthly salary by selling software subscription or membership site access, or we promote other people's products as affiliates. And of course, we do high ticket affiliate marketing, means we sell high price product like courses, masterminds, and together we make tons of money. These are the results of our affiliates. Over 2,000 affiliates earned a total $2.6 million. That's what we paid them, and tons of affiliates made 6 figures. A lot of affiliates made 5 figures and 4 figures. And our beginner students are earning high ticket affiliate commissions using our system. To learn more about how it's happening, check the link in the description for a free training. And at the end of the training, you will learn about our program. And if you want to learn how to make $250 in one day without pretty much any skill, then watch this video. And if you want to learn how to use Pinterest and earn $13,000 a month, then watch this video. And as always, guys, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, switch on the notification bell button, and if you think it's really good, I was sincere and honest, then do me a favor, share with your friends and family. That will mean a lot. Thank you, and see you in the next training.